Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SENCOR Sirius Max SSS 6800 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So, at first you have to try to disable Bluetooth if you can't pair with your device. If you go, click on this and on Bluetooth, you can easily disable Bluetooth and you have to now enable it back. Now we can try pairing with your device. If it doesn't work for you, you just have to disconnect from your device and go into pairing mode with your speaker. To do so, you have to hold simultaneously on minus and plus button. As you can see, now we can connect our speaker over here. If it doesn't work for you, you have to do a soft reset. To do this, you have to turn off your speaker and then turn it back on. Now you can try connecting with your speaker. If it doesn't work for you, you have to do a hard reset, which video is on our channel. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!